Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start right now. Wash and dry the apple, then slice or core it. Once cut, place pieces into a bowl, pour a lemon water solution, 1/2 lemon or 1 tablespoon lemon juice per cup of water enough to cover. Make sure pieces are submerged to limit air contact. While slices soak, set an ice water bath nearby. This acidic dip neutralizes enzymes that cause browning, and the cold preserves crispness, so don't delay. Once the initial dip is done, choose the right follow-up. Salt water at a 1:3 ratio salt. Water needs only 30 seconds and is great for salads. Honey water, 1 tablespoon honey per cup, gives up to several hours of protection with a 1-2 minute soak. Make sure to time it. Lemon about 3-5 minutes, salt very brief, honey moderate. After soaking, rinse lightly if you use salt, then pat slices dry. This balances flavor and enzyme inhibition. Finish by arranging slices in an airtight container. Layer with minimal headspace, and drizzle a little extra lemon juice over the top to maintain acidity. Refrigerate immediately at about 4 degrees C or lower. That slows enzymes and keeps texture. Use within 24 to 48 hours. If you spot any browning later, don't panic. Redip briefly in lemon or honey water, and the color will improve. If texture is mushy instead, that's a storage issue. Discard soft pieces.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.